La 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 la. Hey Redbird. Hi. Do you want to go in a boxing match with me? Oh yeah. Ouch. No way, man. So that's what happened, guys. What? No way. Why is everybody looking at me? It's in the dark. I'm sitting in a room. Okay, guys, look, another pigboy. Gotta knock it down. Oh, epic miss. That it probably is easy. I just missed by accident. Are you sure it's easy, Redbird? It looks actually pretty hard. I'm not kidding, man. Okay. What? Why do I keep missing? Hello? What? Oh, it hurt. Oh. Bobber failed. 1 out. R. Yes, a piggy is dead. Right. Ow! Dang it! Ow! What's the objective of this? Is it like to not kill the pigs? Oh, we gotta try again, guys. Guys, get over here! Whoa! We have to keep trying to knock this fort down without orange bird, and I mean it. But how, man? Without orange bird, that's a little tricky. It doesn't matter. Wait! Ow! What is wrong? Is there like wind power here or something? I think so, man. Woo! Ouch! Woohoo! This thing is made out of metal. I mean metal, not stone, guys. Ah! You stink. You stink. Shut up. Pew, white bird. Someone open the window. It stinks in here. Are you sure? Big brother, bro, can smash anything down. Woohoo. Oh, great. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. Is there any other way we can do this without Orange Bird? Dude, I think this level is actually especially made for Orange Bird, because I have an instruction sheet, you know. Really? Yeah, it says that. It says, if any bird would try it would probably not do anything. But if we used Orange Bird, it would probably destroy a lot of stuff. And a lot of damage. Okay, that is a good idea. Oh, Orange Bird's gotta say sorry to me though, or I'm not letting him out of his room. What do you mean? Gotta get him out of that room. I hate you guys to say sorry to me. Guys, let's go. Hey, Orange Bird, can you please say sorry to us? We need your help. Really? Yay! What? Oh. He put a security lock. We'll have to say sorry to us. Fine, sorry. Apology accepted? Yes. You gotta come out. Well, it will be accepted. It's not accepted if you don't help us with the giant castle right there. Okay, that's a big deal. Let's go! Woohoo! So what am I supposed to do again? You're supposed to try smashing into that fort. Like I said. Okay. Oh yay! Wee! Oh! I got you piggies! Boy! That accepted now. Who's the dummy now? It was you! What? I'm not the dummy! Oh! Too bad, Whitebird. You are a dummy. Why? Why? Man, Orange, but that was pretty good. I'm still not giving up, you know. Me! Okay, I'm gonna go do my business. I'm on the ceiling. I'm on the ceiling. Oh yeah, I'm on the ceiling. I'm on the ceiling. Okay, Bluebird, shut up. Now we beat the level. Now what should we do? Go get the eggs. I think we should go get the eggs. Let's go check on the eggs. Bluebird, come with me. Oh my gosh, I feel so hurt. What was that about? Ugh. Oh, man, that was like a tornado. Ugh. Like, thank you, losers. What? Oh, fine, you beat us. You beat us. Good job, Orangeburg. Yay, I'm gonna go get the eggs. Well, now we're all better. Yay! I think we should just sit on the floor now. Good idea.